So today we are going to be talking about 5 Nivea body lotions for fair skin and for caramel skin. These are not the popular Nivea lotions that you know. These are Nivea lotions that, as I tell you and you go and buy it, you are going to be addicted to them. Anyone you buy. And I'm going to show you the one that I've been using for a very long time that have been so good, so nourishing to my skin. It will be the fifth on the list. So if you watch to that point, you are going to see it. And we're also going to talk a little bit about how to use your Nivea body lotions to work for your skin needs. And also, I'm going to be giving you my secret hack that I use anytime I want to buy a body lotion, whether Nivea body lotion or any other type of body lotion that helps me to use that body lotion for a long period of time. So welcome to today's video. If it interests you already, please hit the like button, subscribe if you have not, leave a comment, ask your questions. I dare with you 247 in the comment section. Let's have a beautiful conversation. So welcome to today's video. Let's start already. Now, a quick one. Nivea body lotion is not a lightening body lotion. They are not going to lighten your skin. Okay, anytime I make a Nivea body lotion video, people always say I used it, it darkened me, I used it, it darkened me. If you ever use Nivea body lotion and it darkened you, here are two reasons why it darkened you. Number one is that maybe that fair skin that you had before you bought the Nivea lotion is not your original complexion. If you used to use a lightening lotion and then you go and buy a Nivea body lotion, you are going to get dark. It is not the Nivea body lotion that got you dark. No, you are getting dark because your skin or your body has gone back to producing melanin on a normal rate that your previous cream was regulating. There is nothing in Nivea body lotion that is regulating your melanin production. That is not the work. The work of a body lotion generally is to nourish, moisturize, and hydrate and repair your skin. Now, the second reason why your Nivea body lotion is going to darken you is you are not pairing it with the right product. Now, just like I said, I have been using a particular one for the longest time, and you can see my complexion. I did not get any darker. Instead, my complexion improved. I am going to share with you the product I have been using with my Nivea body lotion that has helped me to maintain my skin complexion without getting darker. Okay, so these are the two reasons. Then the third reason is not so strong, but the third reason is the sun. If you are someone that is so outgoing, you enter the sun so much and you use just Nivea, then you are going to get darker because when you get into the sun, your body tends to produce more melanin, which is going to which appears as your skin as a dark skin. Your skin is going to become darker because of the melanin production. And then when you come out from the sun, the lotion you are applying, which is the Nivea lotion, does not have anything that is going to reverse the effect of the sun on your skin. That is why another reason why you are getting dark after using a Nivea body lotion. Now, aside all these reasons I have mentioned, I want to let you know that you still need to use moisturizers that are similar to Nivea body lotion, even if it is not a Nivea body lotion. So if you are out there and you are using a lightening lotion, you are using any lotion that contains glutathione, that contains alpha arbutin, kojic acid, all those lightening ingredients, if you are using any lotion that resembles anything like that, it is compulsory for you, on from my own take and experience as a skincare expert, as you all call me, right? You should use a moisturizer. Now, Nivea is one of the cheapest and most available in the market that you can use, and that is why I have made this list for you of the ones that will nourish your skin, repair your skin from whatever damage that you might have from that particular lotion you are having. So before I turn to a pastor, let's get into today's video. So the first one on my list today is the Nivea oil in lotion, vanilla and almond oil. Now, this particular lotion is formulated with almond oil. Now, if you know one thing with almond oil, I've briefed a bit in my previous videos. Almond oil is very, very good for your skin. No matter your skin complexion, whether fair or chocolate or caramel, almond oil is going to help to heal your skin barrier. It is going to help to smoothen your skin, and it is going to help you if you have any skin irritation of any kind. So this particular one is very good. It has a very beautiful fragrance, not so hard, but it has a fragrance, and it is suitable for normal to dry skin. Now, the second one is from the same line of Nivea body lotion, and that is the Nivea body lotion oil in lotion, cherry blossom and jojoba oil. Now, jojoba oil is very, very good for your skin. Now, these whole lotions are basically going to do the same thing for you. Let me not waste your time repeating myself. This whole body lotion, they are going to smoothen your skin. So, just like I said, if your skin is not smooth, if your skin is not, glowing, what's the point of it being fair? A lot of we African ladies, we glory in fair skin and we glory in lightening skin so much that we forget the most important thing. The most important thing that makes our skin attractive is the smoothness of your skin. When your skin is very smooth, when your skin looks fresh, when your skin is glowing, you will not bother so much about the complexion, whether you are fair or dark, because people are going to be loving your skin. They are going to be loving the texture of your skin. And what all these body lotions are going to do for you, one primary thing they are going to do for you is, if your skin has been tampered in any way, if you have used any body lotion that has tampered with your skin barrier in any way, it is going to heal it. Your skin is going to be healed and your skin is going to come back to its original state. You are going to feel softness in your skin. You are going to feel glow. You are going to feel radiance. Okay? Now, the third one on my list is the Nivea Express Hydration Body Lotion. Now, this one is very, very good, and this one is for dry skin. The second one I mentioned is also for normal to dry skin. This particular one is for dry skin. So, if you have dry skin, this is one of the first ones I am going to recommend for you. In fact, if you have any skin complexion, this particular cream gives your skin a type of texture, like it's so good. It softens and smoothens your skin. Now, the fourth one is my overall best that I will recommend for anybody that has dry to very dry skin. So if you are watching this video and you are experiencing extreme dry skin, this particular one, get it anywhere you see it, buy it on my account. Okay, and that is the Nivea Rich Moisturizing Body Lotion. Now, this one is enriched with almond oil and vitamin E. See, when it comes to smoothing, repairing, rejuvenating, and just repairing of your skin, give it almond oil. Almond oil is good. Anything that contains almond oil and you are having skin issues, you are having skin reactions, eczema on your skin, stretch marks and all of that, get any cream that contains almond oil. This particular one is for people that have dry to very dry skin. So if you're an aged person, like you are in your 40s or in your 50s and you are experiencing extreme dry skin, this particular one is very, very good. Get it and you will not regret it. Okay, so the fifth one is my own favorite that I'm going to actually show you. It is right here with me. So let me clip this and yeah, get it. That is the Nivea. Oh, son. That is the Nivea Nourishing Cocoa. Now, this particular cream is modeled as body lotion for dark skin and all of that. And I got this cream. I think I've actually mentioned it in one of my videos. I got this particular body lotion because I wanted to use something cocoa butter, but when I went, I didn't see. I said, okay, sure, let me just take this one. All cocoa na cocoa, you get. So I got it. But I got this lotion and it has been nothing but amazing to my skin. It has been nothing but an angel to me. This lotion is nice. It is thick. Let me, so it has a thick consistency. Is not so thick that it is going to be greasy on your skin. Every Nivea body lotion has fast penetration. I've not used any Nivea body lotion that is sticky. I've not used any Nivea body lotion that is going to make you to sweat. Just look at the penetration. In as much as it has a thick consistency, it penetrates into my skin very easily and it doesn't make me sweat and it doesn't darken me. I use this body lotion. How many days is in a week? 7. I use this body lotion 5 days in a week, morning and night. That is to tell you how good this particular lotion is. And since I started using it, I have seen dramatic changes in my skin texture, in my skin complexion, in how fresh and glowy my skin looks. And it is going to leave your skin moisturized for the whole day. When you use it in the morning, your skin is going to remain moisturized till the evening. I don't have dry skin, I have normal skin. But even at that, people that have it's actually made for dry skin people. So this is going to bring me to the hack that I said I was going to share with you. Now, when I buy my moisturizers, I buy my moisturizers for dry, like I buy a moisturizer that says dry skin. Why do I do that? Moisturizers, now I'm telling you from the knowledge of being a skincare product manufacturer, right? Any product that is made for dry skin, one, it has more hydrating ingredients in it. Secondly, it has a lot of moisturizers in it. That is, it has butters and it has oils. But any cream that is written for oily skin, that particular body lotion has less of these two things I mentioned. Thereby, if you had a skin issue you want to treat, if you get that lotion that says for oily skin, it might not target it. Because let's take for example, you want to treat green veins, you want to treat stretch marks. Those are skin conditions that need very rich butters to treat. It needs very rich oils to treat. But when you buy a body lotion that says oily skin, it is not going to contain any butter. If it does, it is going to contain it in very little quantity because they are putting your skin into consideration. They are going to make that cream as thin and as light as possible. But when you buy a lotion that says dry skin, you are buying more for less money. So now, as someone that has a normal skin I can say it's normal to combination skin, what I now do is I use this lotion in little quantity. So a lotion, instead of taking so much, I don't want to actually bring it out, so I don't waste it. So instead of taking a large amount of cream that I'm going to use on my body, so I'm going to be using a little quantity. So, and that will make, instead of this cream now to finish in 1 to 2 months. Normally, if this was, let me take for example, the Nivea Advanced Skin, the Even Glow, the other vitamin C one that is running. It won't last you 1 to 2 months, depending on how you use it. But I have been using this particular body lotion since January, and this is April and it's not finished. I'm going to still use it for the whole of this month and it's still going to remain. And that is because I use it in little quantity because I have normal skin. I don't have dry skin. Do you get the point? So if you're on a budget and you want to buy body lotions that is going to span you for months, you time yourself and you calculate your money, try to get body lotions that are meant for oily skin people. Because aside from even the benefit of the product lasting you more, you are getting more for your money because that product is going to contain more moisturizing ingredients, more hydrating ingredients, more nourishing ingredients. Because attention is paid more to people with dry skin than people with oily skin, because when you have oily skin, you just need basically hydration and all of that. So I hope you get that. Yeah. Now, what how should you use your Nivea body lotion in order for it not to make you dark? I mentioned three things from the beginning of the video. The last one was sun, which is in your control to do. The second one is using it with a good product, which is what we're going to be talking about. The first one is if you switch from using a lightening cream or a super brightening cream then to using this one, it is you're going to get darker. Okay, so what do I use? Now, do all this period that I've been using this my Nivea body lotion, I make sure that I do not make the mistake of using a soap. I do not use a soap that is not brightening. Now, these are the soaps I have used with this particular Nivea body lotion. I use extract soap. I use Hawaii papaya and calamansi. And presently, I am using my Kojic soap. I'm also using my unique soap. So these are the soaps that I use with Nivea lotions. Any other soap you use that is not brightening or super brightening, it might, let me not say it might darken your skin. Okay? So if you intend to get any of these Nivea body lotions that I have shown you today, please go and check my video on body soap, brightening body soaps. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Get any soap from that video, or I'm even going to make more videos to give you more options depending where you are watching from. Get any of those soaps and use it with your Nivea body lotion. If you use your Nivea with any soap that is not super brightening, you are going to get dark, and that is the honest truth about it. Okay, so that's all I have for you for today's videos. If you have any questions, just like I said, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for joining me on today's own.